What's the one condiment that graces tables worldwide, adding a burst of sweet and tangy flavor to almost everything? It's ketchup. This ubiquitous sauce, primarily made from tomatoes, has a story that's far richer and more complex than you might imagine. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to explore the fascinating world of ketchup, delving into its ancient origins, uncovering its surprising history, examining its ingredients and production, celebrating its diverse uses, and even sharing some fun facts that might just blow your mind. Our story begins not in America, but in ancient Asia. Centuries ago, a fermented fish sauce, known as ketchup, or something similar, was a staple in many cuisines. This pungent sauce, a far cry from modern ketchup, was a complex blend of fish, shellfish, and spices. It was a key ingredient in many dishes and a testament to the ingenuity of early culinary practices. As trade routes opened up, this flavorful sauce made its way to Europe, where it began a long and transformative journey. In Europe, ketchup underwent a fascinating metamorphosis. Experimentation led to the creation of various ketchup variations, some using ingredients like mushrooms, walnuts, or even oysters. These early ketchups were often quite different from what we expect today, showcasing the diverse culinary landscape of the time. Tomatoes, originally from the Americas, arrived in Europe and were initially met with suspicion. However, their culinary potential was eventually recognized, paving the way for the tomato-based ketchup we know and love. The 19th century marked a turning point for ketchup, particularly in the United States. Tomato cultivation flourished, and entrepreneurs began to see the potential for a mass-produced tomato-based condiment. Advances in food preservation techniques, like bottling and canning, allowed ketchup to be stored and distributed widely. Visionaries like Henry Heinz recognized the growing demand and played a pivotal role in standardizing ketchup recipes and establishing iconic brands that are still recognized today. Industrialization and mass production transformed ketchup from a regional delicacy to a national staple. Let's take a closer look at what goes into a bottle of ketchup. The star ingredient, of course, is ripe, juicy tomatoes. Specific varieties are often preferred for their flavor and texture. Vinegar provides the tangy kick, while sugar balances the acidity and adds sweetness. Salt enhances the flavors, and a blend of spices, including onions, garlic, cloves, cinnamon, and sometimes other secret ingredients, contribute to ketchup's unique and complex flavor profile. The manufacturing process involves carefully controlled cooking, straining, and blending to achieve the perfect consistency and flavor. Ketchup's versatility is truly remarkable. It's the quintessential partner for fries, burgers, and hot dogs, adding a burst of flavor to these classic comfort foods. But its culinary applications extend far beyond these familiar pairings. Ketchup is a key ingredient in countless recipes, adding depth and complexity to sauces, marinades, meatloaf, stews, and even some surprising dishes. Regional variations in flavor preferences and culinary traditions have led to a diverse range of ketchup-based dishes around the world. The world of ketchup is constantly evolving, with innovative flavors and variations constantly emerging. Spicy ketchups, smoked ketchups, and even fruit-flavored ketchups are just a few examples of the creative explorations of this beloved condiment. Many home cooks enjoy making their own ketchup, experimenting with different ingredients and flavor combinations. And let's not forget the artistic side of ketchup. Some chefs and food enthusiasts use ketchup to create intricate designs and enhance the visual appeal of their dishes. Ketchup has also become deeply ingrained in popular culture, appearing in movies, songs, and even art. It's a symbol of comfort food, family gatherings, and shared culinary experiences. From its humble beginnings as a fermented fish sauce in ancient Asia to its current status as a global culinary icon, ketchup has a rich and fascinating story. It's a testament to the power of culinary innovation, cultural exchange, and the enduring appeal of delicious flavors. So, the next time you reach for that bottle of ketchup, take a moment to appreciate the long and winding journey that brought this beloved condiment to your table. What are your favorite ways to enjoy ketchup? Share your thoughts and culinary creations in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this ketchup adventure.